What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be doing the perfect Flexi Rad set. I just washed my hair and braided it up last night, so it's probably like 90% dry right now. So right now I am just blow drying it out to straighten it out a bit. I love doing Flexi Rods on stretched hair, and you guys will see why. So right now I am just detangling my hair and adding some heat protectant just to protect my hair, and we are just blow drying it out a little bit. You can use the tension method. You don't even have to blow dry the hair. I just like to blow dry it for the just the texture and the body that I get when I do the Flexi Rods. The air dried hair is fine also if you wanted to just braid your hair up and let it air dry and just go straight into rolling the hair. That is perfectly fine, but I just find that my Flexi Rods come out perfect when I blow dry it. So that's what I'm doing now. So I am just about done with blow drying my hair, and we're going to get straight into the rolling process. So the product that I'm using to set my curls is the Aunt Jackie's Curl-A-La. I just love this product so much because it gives me the best results every time I do this style. So this is the only product that I use to set my curls. I don't add anything else, no conditioner, none of that stuff, just the Aunt Jackie's Curl-A-La. And I feel like that's also a secret to a perfect Flexi Rod set is not putting too much product on the hair. And like I said, paying attention to your ends. I am making sure the ends have the most attention because you do not want your ends to be frizzy or anything when you separate your curls. So that is key. Please pay attention to your ends and don't go all the way to the root. I just don't like how it dries after you put the curl out on the roots. It might puff up a little bit, so I just try to stay away from the roots. So when I am doing the Flexi Rods, I just really make sure that I smooth my ends over the Flexi Rod. And if you do come into some lumps, just make sure you comb them out because you really want your curls to be nice and smooth. You don't want any lumps and bumps. So like I said, I smooth my ends across the Flexi Rod, and as you can see, I'm kind of showing you right there that the ends are nice and flat on there, and I'm putting the hair over top to secure it. And as I roll up, I move over. So I go over my ends probably twice, and then I start to move over a little bit. And I just like how that looks. Like, you can tell like those curls are gonna be so bomb. And then you just fold the Flexi Rod to tighten it. Don't do it too tight or you are going to have a major headache. But yeah, that's how you do the Flexi Rod. But we're going to show you one more time.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I want.
So I'm going to show you the rolling process one more time. So you want to make sure you pay close attention to the ends, making sure that they are smooth and straight. Putting those on the Flexi Rod first, and you're just going to fold it. You're going to roll it, not fold it. You're going to roll the ends on there really nice and tight. And you're going to make sure that you put some hair on top, as you can see here clearly, and roll on top of that probably like twice. And then you're going to proceed to move over and continue to roll all the way until you get to the root. And you kind of pull at the same time that you're rolling, just to keep it nice and straight. And I keep rolling, and then I fold it nice and tight. And then that is it, ladies. Flexi rod set is ready to be dried, and you can sleep with this if you can, but I like to blow dry.
Say you don't wanna be with me, but you miss me as soon as it's over. Your name lighting up the screen, but you never call when you're sober.
So I just checked to see if my hair was dry, and it is, so we're going to go ahead and take them out. So the process for taking them out is really simple. You just want to unravel the flexi rod, and you kind of just want to twirl it direction that the curl is going in. And then once it comes out, you're going to twirl it as well, just to keep the curl there. And that's it, ladies. And we're going to proceed to separating the curls and all of that good stuff and fluffing it up. So with the separating of the curls, you want to make sure that you have oil on your hands, and this just helps with the frizziness, and that you kind of like twirl as you unravel them. And the more you twirl, the bigger like your fro is gonna be and all of that good stuff, so you can separate to your liking. Alright, so this look is nearly finished. We're just adding a little bit of volume. I probably didn't even need to add any to mine. I just like my fro big, and it gets bigger as you wear the style. So you can do this, or you don't have to. It's just your preference. I like to do it. If you don't have a pick, you can use a brush like I am. I couldn't find mine, but it just works the same. This just helps add volume to the hair.
I'm in the zone now, and I think I know.
So what's up, you guys? I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. It didn't come out the way I wanted it to. I did smaller parts like I said, so the curls are tighter. I do like that a little bit, but we'll see. Definitely like my last one better. But yeah, just like and share, and just let me know what you guys think and what other natural hairstyles you guys think I should do next.
Say you don't wanna be with me, but you miss me as soon as it's over.